Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and let's say the second option from the right is connected with the resolution. This one is connected with frames per second. So simply tap on this option, this, let's say, second option, and here we've got the resolution. We've got three different options. 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, but we've got also 720p and 4K. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 4K. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.